Hey guys, welcome back to another video. That noise you hear in the background is my air conditioner, not the end of the world. But today I'm going to be hatching Aussie eggs because I think there's only one more day left for them, and I better get a turtle or I'm going to throw them in a ditch. Because that's what I want. And who you hear in the background is Carrie Plays _YT. Say hi.
Hi!
I hope you heard that. Or else I would sound like an idiot. But this Aussie egg that I'm about to hatch, and why do my legs keep not working? I don't know.
Why am I so fast?
I don't know why you're so fast. And by the way, comment down below if... What the heck? Comment down below if you know what Yafa is. You probably don't because it's between me and her. Come here, tiny baby.
No! No!
Yes. Want to know how I can get to you? Like that. Hi. Come back here. Don't forget to subscribe to Carrie Plays.
That's so nice.
Hello. Oh my gosh, it's the last task. No. It's gonna be a dingo and I'm gonna throw it in a ditch for the rest of its life. Please be a turtle or a kangaroo, please. Please. Come on! Can I feed the dingo to a horse? I want to feed a dingo to a horse. Now my legs are not moving. Great. Yeah. Bye-bye. See ya.
He's stuck in my stairs.
That's not good. Okay, last Aussie egg for me to get now, and then I'm just going to be screaming Yafa in each other's ears. I'm going to walk up to people, scream Yafa.
We're always getting more and more money to get more,
ABC Yafa!
to get more money, because I want to get some more Aussie eggs, so maybe I can get a turtle.
ABC Yafa!
I say ABC if you know my channel.
ABC if you know what... Caroline, say ABC in chat. Okay, good. Thank gosh you know. Because if you didn't, I'd be really angry at you because Yafa is life. I don't know what Yafa is. What is this? It's Yafa. This lady doesn't know what Yafa is, and she said, "What is it?" And I said, "It's Yafa."
Oh, shit.
Haha, Caroline.
You need Carrie, right?
Yeah, that's just your nickname. OMG. Oh, why am I being traded? I don't want a Shiba Inu unless it's free. Then I'll take it.
Imagine that girl knows my channel. Like,
Or if she knows mine, that would be surprising. Yeah, give me free.
yeah. She probably knows yours. Nobody really knows mine.
Nobody really knows mine either. I don't even know why I'm recording this right now. Guys, please recommend my channel to your friends. And please subscribe to Carrie Plays _YouTube. Oh my gosh, why does my egg keep being thirsty? I swear if I get a bandicoot or a dingo out of this egg, I'm going to throw it in a volcano.